Look at all this food. You want to see what she's eating, huh? Go ahead, Squig. She's not going to hurt you. Quit throwing stuff out of there. Quit it! You're throwing all the almonds out. What is with you? Look at that. You're being a pain in the butt. Quit throwing them. There's your toys, Squiggies. Yay, those are your toys. Quit tossing them out. Stupid. Stupid. What do you think if you take a bite of one of everything? What are you doing? Hey. 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 No. No. You being bad. Now you got nuts all over the place. What are you doing? Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. No. 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 You're so bad. Huh? She's so bad. But you're a good girl, huh? Delilah! Are you kidding me? Putting them all back in. Hey! Hey! You flung that one real good.